time right now is 11 o'clock, so good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Actually, the sun is quite bright. I'll just vlog from the side only. So today is going to be quite a long day. Meaning I have some work to do. There's work also, and then a few things outside because I'm planning of doing like a different kind of a video tomorrow. Let's see. I have to take permission from someone. Like if they allow me, I'll do that, or else we'll see. But the hope is that they'll say yes to me. So now I'll just move out. I put like lunch break at 11 o'clock only. So I'll move out. I have to cut. Yeah, I have to cut my hair also. Let's see how it goes. And maybe I'll change the battery today, the bike battery. I'm not sure because every day to the gym also I have to take the car. But I think I'll change the bike battery today. So I was just going out, and Sunny told me that Maya locked herself in the room. So she knows to lock, but she cannot unlock them. I'll just see. My, oh my. See, she locked this door, but she cannot open it now. So finally, after a long time of coaching, she opened the door. I'll go on the other side. So I came to the church, and I was just calling that guy out, but I think he's busy or something because my call did not go through twice. I'll just go to their place and check. I did not want to go first like directly to their place. I wanted to like have a word with them over a call, but let's see if they are there at home. I'll speak over there.
A few minutes later.
So I just met the guy, but he's saying that it would be better. So I told him my idea, like how I wanted it, but then he told me that instead of doing it now, he told me do it somewhere around mid-December. Because during that time a lot of people come to make different things also. I I know that I have not told you all what exactly the idea is, but he's just saying that during that time I'll get more videos to shoot, like and more things to show also. So I think I'll listen to him and I'll wait for some time to record that video. So yes, I came home and then I sat for a while because I did not have anything much to do. So right now, wait a minute. So right now I'm going to Margao, and after 10,000 years, the motor vlogger in me has come up again. So I just need to get the battery of the bike change. So I'll do that. And this phone, there's a green line on it. I'll go to, I think, Reliance Digital or somewhere. I'll see like if they're exchanging, like if there's a OnePlus store anywhere here. What they'll do is they'll take it this way only and they'll give me a new phone, meaning updated one. But if not, then I have to keep this phone for 3-4 days and all, and then this thing vlogs will also stop. But I don't want to do that. That's why I'm using this phone as it is. So I'm thinking of buying a new phone, maybe somewhere around Jan or maybe like that only. But if they are giving it for a good deal, then I'll get it done to them only. So two things, that is, first I'll go to change the battery, and then I'll go to the mobile repair shop and search for a OnePlus store here. There is no OnePlus store, but there will be a partnership store over here. I'll check it. So here I am finally, and the bike is still not starting. So we'll have to push the bike and start. So these guys were working. I just called them. थोड़ा धक्का मारना है. हाँ बैटरी खत्म हुआ उसका. ठीक है, 1 2 3. हाँ ऐसे ही, और थोड़ा मतलब थोड़ा फास्ट होना चाहिए, वो ऐसा नहीं होगा नहीं तो.
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप. हिम्मत कैसे हुई तेरी मुंह खोलने की?
अरे ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Oh my God! Wow!
So finally the bike started. They must be cussing me in their minds. But thanks to them, my bike is up again. So now I have one task, that is to take this bike to change the battery, before I turn it off. At least one thing is good, that there's half a tank in it of fuel. But yeah, man, it feels so good after such a long time I'm riding this bike. I think there's no air also, so I'll if once I change the battery, I'll do all those other things, because battery is the priority right now. But yeah, the weather in Goa is changing quite a lot, meaning from peak summer it has started to feel like winters. So the days are come that we don't have to turn the AC on to sleep. So I reached the Amaron this thing dealership. It was here somewhere. No, it's in front. Here it is. Let's see what's the rate of the battery that's going on here. I'll not turn it off because I'll check if they have in stock. Otherwise I'll have to ask them to push my bike. Himalaya na battery 411. Bora. Okay, so they have the battery. I will get it replaced. So we have started the work on the bike. So he'll be taking out the battery first. I'll just show you from the other side. This is quite a complicated structure over here. We have to remove all this. We have to take out all this to remove the battery. Sit करता हूँ ऊपर. ये लॉक जो इधर दिया है ना, उन लोगों ने ज़्यादा बड़ा दिया है उसका, मतलब आ ही नहीं रहा है उधर से. So even that day even I was struggling to remove this, but then somehow doing some things like removing the wiring and all, and then I figured out how we could remove it. So even now he is facing the same problem with that. So yes, he removed the battery and he took it, but there's one problem, that the terminal bolt which was here, so one is there, this one, but one has gone somewhere inside over here, this gap. And the problem is that he'll have to remove this now, for which there are two bolts that are getting slipped. So one is this one and one is this one. So he is going to have a very tricky time today. So we have installed the battery. So luckily we did not have to open all this side because we got that nut here. So we are done with the installation. Let me try once. Okay. So this light is still not gone, but we'll see what happens to it.
Meanwhile,
so I had come to Shiny Motors to buy this side panel screws, but they don't have it. So he's saying that we'll get it at a local shop. But now I don't have the time, and I'm feeling quite hungry as well. So I'll go home now, and maybe I'll come in the evening, because that shop is also in Bodda. So yeah. Okay. So the haircut is almost done. I'm done with the massage and all. I think just the shape over here is left, and then we are good to go. So I'm done with my haircut. It's good, but it's quite big here, and this hairstyle that it did does not look good on me. But yeah, otherwise it's okay. So I'm done with the haircut, and I'm going home now. But I was just passing through this side when I saw the salon, and I thought I'll take a haircut as well today, because I've been thinking for the past 3-4 days that I'll go for haircut, but then with the gym and all, it's not just possible to go. It's, I think, yeah, it's 4 o'clock, and it's time to have lunch now. So I reached home some time ago. I had a head bath also, and I think it's that much for today's video. There will be something that we'll be doing in the evening, but it's for another video because the video will be too long. But for now, it's up till here. So if you have liked the video, please do like it, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.